Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about restructure on array, first number, the second numbers. So this is another algorithm guys. The input is let array equal to 2b 4 and string d and 3 string a string c string e 5 1 numbers. Okay, I would like to output. This is the input, this is the output guys, and so I separated the numbers, I separated the strings, all the strings. So you need to do this way, and I will go to explain about in this one in the Visual Studio Code. After that, we will come back and do some R&D about the big one notion, time and space complexity. Let's go and have a look in Visual Studio Code, guys. In this one, particularly about okay, here. Okay, here we go. In this one, sorry. First, let me open the terminal. Here we go. And then I would like to create, already I created the folder guys. I would like to create the file index.js file. So here index.js file, and then I will go to this one. So it's a bigger size. And now what I am going to do it guys. So here let array equal to 2 comma b string again, so 4 comma d comma 3 guys, 3 comma a comma c comma e comma and 5 comma 1. Okay, this is my input guys. So I want to separate input, or the what is the output I'm expecting. I'm going to separate in 2 4 3 5 1 is separately in one, all numbers in the left hand side, all strings in the right hand side. So what I'm going to do here, console.log, in this console.log number first alphabet second. So here I'm going to pass the array. Okay, in here what I'm going to do, so here a constant number, okay, number in the array, in this array with the arrow function. In this arrow function guys, just I would like to declare numbers. Okay, numbers equal to array, the first one, let alphabets equal to array. Next, let final array equal to array. Okay, so numbers equal to array dot, first what I'm going to do guys, filter. You know filter, how this one is working. The filter, it will go to take in 3 arguments guys. Okay, one is the value, the element and index, and then array. Again is the array, whole array is coming up. So I'm going to take in only val over here in this value. So type of value, based on the type of value I'm going to segregate guys. So here val equal to number. Okay, val equal to number, equal to, sorry, here equal to, so val equal to number. Okay, if it is the type of val. So now this time complexity, just I would like to write in time complexity guys over here. N, okay, logarithmic time complexity. Okay, next is alphabets guys. Alphabets is equal to array dot filter, again filter. So in this filter I'm going to take in val. Okay, again the val element, and then here what I'm going to do, type of the same thing, I'm going to take val equal to, but in here equal to string guys. Just I would like to take the string. Okay, if it is string, the same thing is going to repeat on time complexity. Okay, logarithmic time complexity. Okay, so now what I'm going to do in the alphabets, and then I'm going to short it, guys. So short is high time complexity, guys, and you can keep in mind. So numbers dot short. Okay, in this short here, what I'm going to do, O n log n. I'm trying to explain in the time complexity and the space complexity, both of them at a time, guys. So let's go on to the one like in here, O n log n, guys. It's short is it will take in more time, so that's what in this time complexities happen, guys. Okay, numbers I'm shorting, and then alphabets I'm going to short again. Okay, short again, I'm going to short the, so here also same time complexity, O n log n time complexity. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, guys, in the final array, what I'm going to do in the final array, what I took in final array, in this final array, just I'm going to use the spread operator. I want to get the numbers, and then alphabets. Okay, and then this should be, what is the time complexity, guys? This should be in O n plus m, guys. So this one is coming in two times, right? N is the numbers, alphabet is the m. Okay, that's what in this much time complexity is going to happen, guys. Time complexity. Okay, this much time complexity. Next, what I'm that's okay, written. So what I'm going to go here, written, just written final array. Okay, final array. So now what I'm going to do, just I will copy this index.js relative path, and then so node. Okay, let me clear it, guys, first, and clear. So node. Okay, so paste that and enter. See, guys, so the numbers are coming up, and the A, B, C, D is the separated. That is the one, like in they restructured the numbers, and restructures the strings or strings, the characters, string characters. So now let's go and have a look about the space and time complexity, guys, and how I'm going to explain over here. So in this one, okay, let me explain, guys. First one is the filter, guys. So the filter, okay, time complexity, the filter function is used to twice to separate numbers and alphabets, guys. So twice, right? It happened twice, and resulting in a linear time complexity. That's what is the linear time complexity. So where n is the number of elements input array. Sorting the numbers, guys, is very high time consuming. So the sorting the numbers array is using the sort method, has the time complexity O n log n, guys, and where n is the number of numbers in array. Okay, next is the sorting the alphabets. Array is using the sort method, has the time complexity O m log m, where m is the number of alphabets in the array. Okay, next is the concatenating the sorted, guys. Numbers and alphabets arrays has the time complexity O n plus m, guys. So here I'm concatenating, and both of them I'm putting in over here, the so O n plus time complexity. So where n is the number of numbers and m is the number of alphabets. Okay, that's what I told you. So in space complexity, additional space is required for store the numbers, alphabets, and final array, guys. So numbers, alphabets, and final array, that is the space complexity arrays. The space complexity directly the proportional to the size of the input array. So the space complexity is O(n) only. Okay, the space complexity O(n). O(n) means is a logarithmic in logarithmic complexity, guys, space complexity. So therefore the time complexity is the modified, the implementation is the O n log n for sorting the numbers, and O m log m sorting the alphabets, and O n plus m for concatenating the sorted array. Overall space complexity is the remains is the just O n. That's it, guys, for the time and space complexity for this particular algorithm. So here I'm going to write in final one, guys. Here, O, okay, time complexity is O n FON comma ON log n comma ON plus M, guys. Okay, that is the time complexity. Next is the space complexity. Okay, next is the space complexity. This one is just ON, guys. That's all, not that much more. Okay, logarithmic space complexity. So time and space complexity, that's all, guys, in this video. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like and subscribe my channel. Yeah, I will go to make it in more videos, more algorithms like this. Thank you. Bye bye.